big box for the 64 today. What could it be? Well, let's open it and find out. Well, there you go. I got a triple chrome trunk pan right here. I got this from Speedy's Metal Finishing. Them boys from High Class in California. It shipped promptly. I ordered this less than a week ago and it's already here, and I'm in Texas. So from California to Texas, less than a week, and with some really nice quality. I don't know if y'all can tell from the time lapse, but that thing was packaged really nice. It had a whole mess load of bubble wrap and even had a saran wrap on it. So I appreciate y'all for the packaging. I've always wanted one of these. Wasn't sure where to get one at first, but man, this thing is really nice. It's gonna look nice under there. So it's got provisions on both sides, so you can go ahead and bolt it onto your current pan, and it also has these relief cuts on each corner. That way it fits snug on top. I really like that the holes are plugged. That gives it a good look. I wish I would have done that to my floors, to my floor pans. I like that. Again, shout out to Speedy's Metal Finishing. I'm gonna put their link on the description. And I'm excited, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this thing, and then I'll bring y'all back and walk y'all through the install. Well, there it is, guys. The install was fairly simple, very straightforward. I really like the look of it. I'm digging it. It just complements the rest of the chrome under the car, so it goes really well. So for the install, let me get under here. There's 2 bolts in the back here, so I had to drill a hole from the inside. I started a small one here at an angle, and then I went inside of the trunk and I drilled it from the inside. Then I was able to put the bolt in. There's one here, and the other one there in the back. And the holes were already there on the trunk pan, as I explained earlier in the video. So that's it there. And for the other side, let me get under there. So on the front side, I did the same thing pretty much. There's 2 bolts. There's one here and one on the other side right there. Went to the hardware store and got some chrome bolts. So I just had to drill the holes the same way. Drilled them from here and then put an acorn nut on the other side. Just wanted to show y'all the bottom first. It came out really nice. I like it. Let me go inside the trunk and I'll show you what it looks like in there. Alright, so here are the bolts on the inside. There's one right there. I put a chrome washer and a chrome acorn on it. And the other one's right there. Excuse me, I need to clean that. Wipe that down. And then the other 2 are right. I don't know if you can see them. There's one here. And it's kind of blurry. One here. I just put a stainless bolt with a nylon lock nut right there. Same on the other side. Boom, easy money.
That's it for this install, guys. If y'all have any questions, hit me up as usual. And y'all stay tuned for the next one.